The European Space Agency's BIOPAN-6 experiment module was bolted to the exterior of the PHOTON M3 mission satellite. On September 14, 2007, Dr. Ingemma Jørgensen's team at Kristianstad University anxiously monitored the telemetry. Inside, encased in specialized capsules, were tiny organisms facing the vacuum and radiation of outer space. Their survival would redefine the very limits of life. These astonishing creatures are tardigrades, often called water bears or moss piglets for their appearance. They are microscopic invertebrates, typically less than a millimeter long, possessing 8 stubby legs and a segmented body. You can find them almost anywhere on Earth, from the highest mountains to the deepest oceans. First described in 1773 by German zoologist Johann August Ephraim Goes, their true resilience was later uncovered by Italian biologist Lazzaro Spallanzani. He observed their uncanny ability to revive after extreme drying, hinting at their incredible survival mechanisms. Spallanzani even coined the name tardigrade, meaning slow stepper, for their deliberate gait. What makes tardigrades so remarkable is their unique biological state called cryptobiosis. This is a reversible metabolic slowdown, allowing them to suspend life functions until conditions improve. It is the secret to surviving environments that would instantly kill almost any other living thing. One form of cryptobiosis is anhydrobiosis, where they dehydrate themselves almost completely. They can lose up to 97% of their body water, shriveling into a barrel-shaped ton form. In this state, their metabolic activity drops to just 0.01% of normal levels, effectively halting the clock of aging. This ton formation allows them to endure prolonged periods without water, for years or even decades. Scientists have revived tardigrades from dried moss samples that were over 30 years old. Imagine pausing your life for generations, only to wake up ready to go about your day. Beyond dehydration, tardigrades exhibit incredible resistance to extreme temperatures. They can withstand freezing down to -272 degrees Celsius, just 1 degree above absolute zero. At the other end of the spectrum, some species have survived temperatures as high as 150 degrees Celsius, near boiling. Their ability to tolerate immense pressure is equally astonishing. Tardigrades have been found thriving in deep-sea trenches, surviving pressures exceeding 6,000 atmospheres. This is 6 times the pressure found in the deepest part of the Mariana Trench, an environment crushing to most life forms. But perhaps their most famous feat is surviving radiation. Certain tardigrade species can endure doses of ionizing radiation up to 5,6200 Gray, a dose that would be hundreds of times lethal to humans. This resistance is due to their unique DNA protection mechanisms. This astonishing resilience led scientists to ask a profound question: could life truly survive in the ultimate vacuum? The PHOTON M3 mission became the perfect opportunity to test if tardigrades were indeed the universe's hardiest animals, facing the void itself. The BIOPAN-6 experiment, launched in 2007, specifically exposed 2 species, Richtasius coronifer and Milnesium tardigradum *, to 3 space environments. One group faced the vacuum of space, another the vacuum plus solar UV radiation, and a third just cosmic radiation. These tiny travelers were completely unprotected. After 12 days in low Earth orbit, orbiting 270 kilometers above our planet, the PHOTON M3 satellite returned. The world held its breath. When scientists recovered the tardigrade samples, they made an astounding discovery. Many of the tardigrades exposed only to the vacuum of space, without additional UV radiation, were successfully revived upon rehydration. They were not only alive, but some even went on to reproduce, demonstrating complete biological recovery. This marked the first animal confirmed to survive outer space. The individuals exposed to combined vacuum and full solar UV radiation fared worse, with most succumbing. However, a small percentage of Milnesium tardigradum * individuals, shielded from UVC but exposed to UVA and visible light, also survived. This was a profound revelation for astrobiology. So how do they protect themselves from such damaging radiation? Scientists discovered a unique protein called DSUP, or damage suppressor. This protein acts as a molecular shield for their DNA, preventing radiation from breaking it apart. The DSUP protein binds to the tardigrade's DNA, forming a protective cloud that deflects harmful free radicals generated by radiation. This incredible natural defense mechanism has even been successfully introduced into human cells in laboratory studies, offering tantalizing possibilities. This discovery in 2016 from research by the University of Tokyo opened new avenues for understanding cellular resilience. Imagine the potential for human health if we could harness such protection against radiation damage for space travel or cancer therapy. It's a truly humbling thought. Beyond space, tardigrades have survived other extreme tests, like impacts up to 900 meters per second. Research in 2021 by scientists at the University of Kent showed that while some higher velocity impacts proved fatal, their resilience to high-speed collisions is still extraordinary. Their secret to entering the ton state and surviving such extremes often involves the synthesis of specialized sugars, particularly trehalose. This sugar forms a glassy matrix around cellular components, stabilizing proteins and membranes during desiccation, acting like an internal protective shield. While tardigrades are often called immortal, this isn't strictly true. They do age and die under normal conditions. Their immortality refers to their ability to pause life and withstand conditions that would cause any other organism permanent damage or death. In 2019, an Israeli lunar lander crashed on the moon, carrying a lunar library that included dehydrated tardigrades. While their survival is unconfirmed due to the impact, the event sparked a fascinating debate about planetary protection and the inadvertent spread of life. Looking to 2025 and 2026, researchers continue to sequence tardigrade genomes to unlock more of their biological secrets. Horizontal gene transfer, where they acquire DNA from other species, is one area of intense study, potentially contributing to their unique survival strategies. The study of tardigrades pushes the boundaries of our understanding of astrobiology and the potential for life beyond Earth. Their mere existence proves that life can persist in environments previously thought to be completely uninhabitable. Could something similar exist on Mars? These tiny titans remind us that even the most fragile-looking creatures can harbor unimaginable strength. They inspire us to look closer at the microscopic world, where incredible resilience and evolutionary marvels constantly unfold. Every drop of water can hold a universe. The next time you see a patch of moss or lichen, remember the water bears quietly residing within. They are truly nature's astronauts, waiting for their moment to journey through time and space, forever challenging our perceptions of what life can endure. From the deepest oceans to the cold vacuum of space, the tardigrade offers a humbling lesson in survival. What other wonders might be hidden in plain sight, just waiting for us to discover their incredible stories? If you were amazed by the resilience of the water bear, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more journeys into the wild wonders of our planet. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Which tardigrade fact surprised you the most?